Hi everyone, I'm back and I'm going to just give you few tips of monsoon of makeup. Actually, I was going to give you before only, but due to few reasons, like I was a little busy, so I thought I would just do it like today. So there's a quick tips of makeup for monsoon which I would like to share with you all. So first is like you should put waterproof mascara on your lashes so that like it doesn't drip when the rain comes, or it if you're on the rains and water is splashing on your face, so your face doesn't get spoiled. And moreover, you can always use a hairspray on your lashes uh, far away. You can use the spray far away and you can just like spray it, so that very far away, so that like it stays. So this is a kind of a tip or trick tip, like you can use it. Second hack is you can use a food color. That is, I'm going to show you this. I got a green color. So if you want to make a quick eyeliner, green color, like if you feel like you want to make an eyeliner and you don't have the specific shade, and so you can put this few particles of this food color in this, and you can mix this flex seeds gel, which is made, I have made it at home. Only one a drop, like this. I have just put one a drop on this. You can see little color and you can see one a drop on this, and then I'm putting a bit primer on this, so only a drop of primer too. So now with a brush, you can just take the eyeliner brush itself and you can mix this well. Nicely, you have to mix it properly so that it doesn't so this is the color. I'll even apply it and show it to you. So this is it. So this looks so beautiful, this shade. It is a bottle green shade, and like sometimes you don't get, so this is the tip. You can use this. And then the second tip is, like always, like almond, you can burn the almond and it becomes black. You can use this as a kajal. Again the same thing, you can, instead of putting anything else, it's better if you use a little flaxseed gel, which I have made it at home, and little bit of primer to the same. Mix it and see. Now this is it becomes liquid kajal, and you can apply it under your eyes. And this is the second tip and trick, like you can use this during monsoons, and like really when you don't have a specific thing, like you don't have a kajal, your kajal breaks or something, you can use this. Then you can use always the food color for the eyeliner, bright shades, bottle green, blue, ink blue, And like if you get many food colors like bright yellow, red color, you can use this way as your eyeliner. And the third tip is what you have to use always blush on, cream blush on. If you use the cream blush on your cheekbone, so this won't drip on monsoon. And the fourth is like when you apply when you want to cover your face with a base, so instead of applying foundation, you can apply only the primer. Apply only the primer, and then you can apply only the concealer. So I got this faces ka concealer, it's very good. So first apply primer all over, and apply only do the coverage of your dark circles or over the neck area or the chin area, forehead, wherever your skin is little different for a different with your natural skin, little darker or shady. You just have to hide that, and then after that on that top you can apply, always apply BB cream or the CC cream all over, so it will look good. And then lastly, you can always use the compact on your skin, so that it the all the base whatever you have done, it stays evenly on your skin. So this is the few tips and tricks I wanted to share with you. And one more thing, if you want to make your eyes bigger, if you got a smaller eyes, so you can always apply white color liner or kohl pencil under your waterline, and then you can apply your whatever your kajal or liner, whatever you want to apply, so that your eyes will look bigger. And if you want to make your eyes look bigger, one more tip, you can use lots of mascara instead of like eyeliner, kajals and all. So if you use a mascara and all, still the eyes looks little bigger. And enhance your eyebrows with good mascara, this eye pencil, or you can do to your eyebrows tattoo tint well, so that your makeup looks really good. So these are the few tips and tricks I wanted to share with you for off monsoon. Thank you so much.